Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Mechanic. Okay, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be replacing the upper right engine mount insulator in my 2013 Nissan Maxima. So this is the motor mount that I'll be replacing. And this one is located on the right side of the engine. The upper right engine mount insulator. Now, I've taken this out previously in earlier videos and tested out to see if it was still firm, and it's not, so it's time to replace it. So there are a couple of things that we're going to need to move out the way, and that's the coolant reservoir and the power steering reservoir. That will expose the engine mount bracket. The engine mount is attached to this bracket, and we have to remove both. What we'll do then is install the new mount onto that bracket and put her back in. Now, like always, I'll have helpful captions throughout the video. I'll have a link in the description below of this engine mount. With that said, let's start mechanicking. Well, that was easy. Just 3 nuts on the mount itself and 3 bolts on the bracket. So when you go to install the mount, the engine would have dropped about a ½ inch or so. So what you're going to need to do is jack up the motor from underneath to raise it back up so that the mount and this bracket that's attached to the block, get pretty parallel, as close as possible. Once you get it pretty close, what you do then is you push down on the mount to get it all flushed up, and then you go ahead and put the nuts on and then snug her up. Now, torque specs all the way around, 35 foot-pounds. Now, there is no service manual available that you can buy anywhere, but the torque spec is, they're saying between 30 and 50 foot-pounds. So 35 is pretty much that roundabout number that I've seen. So I went with 35 foot-pounds. So again, a pretty easy install. Well, again, that wraps up another project. I'll have a link in the description below where you can get this upper right engine mount insulator. I really appreciate you guys checking out the channel and checking out this video and following the Project Maxima series. If you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. I got a couple of things come around the corner. Until then, this is your Hawaiian Mechanic. Aloha.